Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to completely disassemble and clean the inside of the oven door for the Power Air Fryer Oven Pro model CM001. All right, so step one, go ahead and remove the door from the unit and let's get started. You'll need a Phillips and a flathead screwdriver. Start by removing all of the screws from the door. There are 8 total. Now use your flathead screwdriver and do as you see here. I'm using a butter knife because it was closest to me, so if you have a butter knife handy, you can also use that as well. We're going to pry this door open, being very careful not to break anything inside of the door or any part of the door that is still holding both of the panels together. So I'm going to rotate this door and gently pull apart both panels. Now once I get to the top of the door, I'm going to use my tool, aka my butter knife, to unsnap both panels. Please do as you see here. Place the tip of your flathead inside the crease of the door, just like this. Gently push down on the flathead and the door should pop open. So once both panels are separated, now you have access to the glass and the plastic that's inside of the door. So just be very careful with both parts. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to clean all of these parts and I'll be right back. Once all parts of the door have been washed and dried, now you want to reassemble the door. I'm wearing gloves so that I won't get any fingerprints onto the glass. First, you want to start by placing the plastic inside of the first panel. And for reference sake, go ahead and look at these numbers that are printed inside of the first panel. This panel is actually upside down, but the numbers are right side up. So just as a reference, look for that. Now you want to snap the plastic back inside of the panel. Next, carefully place the glass on top of the plastic. Here's a closer look. And for the glass, you do not have to snap it into place. Position the glass between both brackets. There's one on each end. Now place the other panel on top. Make sure that you line up all screw holes and you're going to snap both panels back together. So now that your door is complete and it's clean and it's snapped back into place, go ahead and replace all 8 of your screws. And that's it, we're done. Now the instructions given in this video were not found in the user manual for the Power Air Fryer Oven Pro. This video was made by request. If you found this video to be helpful to you, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.